All right, so today I'm going to make a bold prediction. I've been making this prediction for months, but I'm going to flesh it out because while it hasn't changed even a little bit, as we get closer, the information gets more clear, so the analysis can become stronger. Now, let me make a big letter caveat. Big letter, okay? Anything can mess this up. Fantastic help to markets would be some kind of clear-cut, continued increase in productivity and continued clarity on inflation dropping. Now, those two go hand in hand. I'm going to give you my analysis again. I believe that productivity gains will, the fourth quarter productivity numbers will come in super strong again. I think it'll be, I don't know if it'll be as strong because it's really hard to predict, but I think productivity numbers will be fantastic. And then the inflation numbers will be dropping partially because of that, and partially just because they're getting back to normal after all of the craziness of the last 3 years. So I'm saying inflation is down, continues to go down. I'm saying productivity goes crazy. The economy might flatten out a little bit, but I see a real possibility that it stays stronger than expected. So what's going to happen? So then what is the Fed going to do? I think that what the Fed is going to become more and more irrelevant. Oh, I know. Look, have you seen anybody else's headline on any of these things that I just said? I haven't seen one headline saying that the short-term treasuries are going to go crazy and the yields are going to drop like a rock. Nobody else is saying that. I don't see anybody else saying the productivity is going to continue to be staying way up there like it was in the third quarter. And I don't see anybody yet saying that the Fed is going to become irrelevant. But these are all true. Okay, why is the Fed going to become irrelevant? Because the market is going to figure out the interest rates instead of the Fed. If they don't drop the interest rates, it just won't matter. Okay, but there will be a psychological effect on the stock market if the Fed gets dovish. If we start to hear dovish comments out of the Fed, like we did last week, the more dovish they get and the higher the prediction about March cuts get with regard to the economists that are polled, as we see it go, it's above 50% now, expecting a cut in March. If we see it getting to like 80%, that is going to affect the stock market. So that is going to be really, really good. If you happen to be a big fan of the Cybertruck, you might also be interested in this super fun Cybertruck refrigerator magnet and bottle opener. It is made out of super thick stainless steel, just like the Cybertruck, and it has this giant magnet on the back, so it's going to hold a lot of stuff on your refrigerator. It's an amazing gift, and it comes in that great gift box that you saw before that uses a magnet opener, just almost like an Apple box, like when you get Apple products. You can buy it on Amazon for $29.95, or you can buy it direct from me by sending $25 to paypal.me/Randy Kirk, all in lowercase letters. Please indicate whether you want the stainless steel look or maybe you'd like to have this very clever camo version. And then if you're not in the US, please add $20 for freight. If you'd like more than one, please check the information below to get pricing, as well as all that information I just told you will be repeated in the information below. So once again, think about joining the channel, getting the up-to-date Tesla news every single day. I think you'll be glad you did.